Hey guys, it's Lobster here, and today we are doing something different. We're doing a American taste test, American's candy. So we have Laffy Taffy, Hershey's. You didn't get the scissors, and I'm here with my brother, by the way, special guest.
Hello.
We're here with Hershey's.
We've got Hershey's.
Hershey's bar,
And Twinkies.
Birthday cake flavours M&M's.
Ooh. It was quite hard to find the shop to get these.
Yeah, and Milk Duds. Get the scissors.
Fine.
Right. What do you want to start off with?
Do the best last.
Hershey's and Twinkies last.
Yep. We'll do Milk Duds first.
Milk Duds. Right, we're going to start off with the Milk Duds.
Also, we've never tasted these before.
No, they're not American if you can't tell already.
Do you want me to open them?
They're really hard to open. There's a bit you got to push in there. That sounds really bad.
Kill the package.
Right, I have to open it on camera.
You can't open it.
You got to kill the package.
You can't open the package of them.
If there are any Americans out there, just tell us how you're meant to open these because we can't put them down. We have to take them away from you in a minute. Right. Oh, these are going to, like... I don't know what I've done. Look how I've opened that, guys. Get off. Alright, so...
Like?
Oh, wow.
Give me
This
one.
is what it looks like. They look like big minstrels.
They do look. Wait.
That's what I'm
They
looking
look like
Right.
those chocolate beans.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Come on camera. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
They're hard. I can't get into mine. They're meant to be like that, guys.
They're made with caramel, so I think it's chocolate and caramel.
Have you read it?
That's all it is. It tastes like caramel minstrel.
Right, I've had them. I'm going to get them later.
I can't.
Right.
It's hard to chew.
When we finish these, we're going to have Laffy Taffy. And it's strawberry... What's that say? Strawberry Fresta.
Does it? Twister.
Fresta, same thing. Oh no, it's free or 99 cents.
3 for 99 cents.
Yeah, 3 for
It
99
must only be
cents.
like 23 cents. Quickie.
Alright.
Let's push it
Yeah.
on the end.
You're going to put salt on the bin, by the way.
No. I want the one Milk Duds.
No, you can't have another one yet because we have to try all of these.
They're really nice. I like them.
Mate, look at these.
Milk Duds are really nice.
Right.
It looks like lipstick. You don't cut them with scissors. You just
No.
you just go like that.
You can't, it's bendy.
Or just bite it off.
You go first. Come in camera.
Oh god.
That lag though.
Oh, very sweet. Yeah. Very sour.
Come in the camera, you idiot. Move the chair.
I can't.
You can. Right. My go. Still got Milk Duds stuck in my mouth. Should get done then last.
Right.
Right.
And Hershey's and Twinkies last.
Yeah, right, we're doing these.
Oh.
So ready?
Sour.
Oh. We've got to eat all of this, by the way, later.
Milk Duds are definitely better.
I give Milk... We forgot to rate them. 10 out of 10.
No.
My rating.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, my rating now 8 of 10 as well.
8 out of 10.
7 out of 10 for the Laffy
Give that a
Taffy.
5.
Oh, I'm giving it a 7.
I'm giving it a 5 out of 10.
Alright. Next.
I can't chew it.
Birthday cake M&M's.
Something they do not sell over here.
We only have regular peanut M&M's or just chocolate ones. Oh, open that weird. What?
What, where? Let me see.
What?
They're just yellow.
No, not.
Oh. Whoa.
Massive. Look at them.
Wait, you take your favourite colour.
Yeah, take blue.
There you go.
Right.
Ready?
They come in different colours.
We've got red.
They're just red, yellow and blue. Yeah, they're just red, yellow and blue. These are amazing.
Ready?
Right, ready? Hang on. Right. 3, 2, 1. What?
I don't taste birthday cake.
Just like regular chocolate ones. Actually, wait. That's birthday cake. I love them. Do you like them?
Taste the nut.
No, they don't. Over exaggeration, Matt.
Wait, give me the packet.
They haven't got nuts in.
Tastes like nut. Yeah.
We're going to do Hershey's last. We're going to do Twinkies next. They do not taste like nut. Look, I'll bite in half of it. No nut in that at all. Look.
It says allergy information contains milk, so it may contain peanuts.
May.
And mine did. Almonds and wheat. Mine tasted like peanuts.
The red ones must have peanut in them.
Wait, let me try another one.
Try a yellow one. I'll try a red one.
This must be almond or wheat.
Oh, they smell really bad. Smell it. Smell that.
I taste like peanut. This is different.
They don't taste like... Right, that one does taste like peanut.
This tastes like wheat.
They're amazing.
The red ones, no.
They're absolutely amazing.
I absolutely hate peanut. No,
Yeah,
that's
so-
almond.
10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10 for me.
8 out of 10 for the...
Ow.
Sorry. Wait. Ow. Let me just try the blue one.
Come in the shop. In the shop.
I am in shop.
Look how confused that face looks. It's like, what? I'm confused.
For yellow and blue, it's an 8 out of 10. For the red, 2 out of 10.
2, yeah. I don't think 2. I don't know what I'm going to say good.
Let's try a Twinkie.
Right.
They look so
Twinkies.
nice.
They sold them separately, but we couldn't get the big packs because they were too expensive. So
Ow.
$7.50 for the big ones.
How much for one of them?
It was £1 for this one. Oh, I've just licked my fingers. Oops.
They must at
Can you
least...
go get a board and a knife to cut this?
Yes.
Well, I have another one of these because these are good. Guys, if you ever like want M&Ms, these are what I recommend. Oh yeah, Ellie Awesome, you inspired me to get these, so thanks.
Where's my little knife?
Hershey's is last. Twinkies is first. Come on!
Ow. Got a little knife. Very little knife.
A cars.
Yes, from years ago. And
Right.
a little board.
But it's showing that it's not a kitchen thing. It's not a tour of the kitchen.
It's not like Barry Lewis's Virgin Kitchen.
I don't know if anyone on my channel
He's in a
knows who that
Sainsbury's
is.
advert. Yeah.
I'm cutting it.
Oh.
What?
Oh, it's all leaking.
Yeah, it does it. It does that. Thanks.
Feels nice.
Right. Gonna cut it in half.
Oh, it smells good. Smell that.
Smells of banana.
It smells of banana.
Banana. Right.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ready?
Wait. I've
Let's get a
still
shot.
got them in my mouth. Oh.
Let me in shot.
You know what this smells like? Bread finger.
It does. That's probably what the
Anyone in
English-
Britain here, you know what we're on about. But they're exactly like these, but just
Oops.
without the cream.
it
Do that
all
again and go to the camera.
I got it on my nose.
Yeah, my twin. He's very weird. But there. He's older. I love you. Mwah. Anyway, 3. I'm going to try and get at least half of this in.
No, I'm only going to do a little bit.
3, 2, 1.
Banana.
That is actually really good.
Twinkies. 10 out of 10.
Very banana-y, but good. I haven't decided yet.
Twinkies 10 out of 10.
actually, from him.
I can't stop eating it.
Oh, have more of it. It's good. 10 out of 10 from Lauren. Oh yeah, I mean last night.
I've already eaten 3/4 of it. I've already eaten 3/4 of it. All of it in.
That's good.
Oh.
We've moved it now. We've moved that now. Right, we've got to eat the rest of these. Right. Have the rest of that in a minute.
Weird aftertaste.
Very weird after. I don't like the aftertaste.
Very banana.
This is what I've been looking forward to for years
The
on end.
Hershey. We only found them out a week ago.
About a week ago.
Wait 1 second.
Where are you going?
Where did I put it?
About a week ago. We should put that in, Cam. It's about the song. Is that what you're doing? Get your phone quickly, because I can't edit the video because I have no idea how. This looks awesome. You're missing out. Sorry if I deafened. Warning to headphone users. Sorry if I deafened you. Right. What the hell? What? Oh my god, I just dropped it. What the actual hell? Look at these, Cam. Come here. Right, they're little Hershey's bars. Like, I've never had a Hershey bar before because I'm English and like I never knew what a Hershey's bar was until about a week ago.
Wait.
So this is what it looks like, and on the back you can see all the chocolate
ready?
chips. Right.
When did you find out about these? Wait.
Ow! Ow!
Well, is this my bit?
Yeah, right.
How small's the bar? Oh, it's not small. Ready?
Right. This is what they look like, guys.
Hershey.
Sorry.
It actually says Hershey's on it. They look like Oreo.
Yeah, they are. That's probably why. Because it says cookies and cream on it.
Oh, Oreo.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
I think you should have done Twinkies last.
No, this is better than Twinkies. I'm so sorry.
9.95 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
I don't like the cream taste.
Wait. That aftertaste.
Yeah, 9.5 out of 10. Twinkies best.
I don't think Twinkies is the best. You can have the rest of mine.
Yes. Yes. More Twinkies.
I'm going to have this bit because I like this. Right. Should we eat the rest of them on camera? Because then, like, if we get any weird aftertastes.
Yes.
Right. We're going to eat the rest of them on camera, over on your channel or just on mine?
On yours, I don't do
In this video? Well, yeah. Check out Cameron's channel.
I'm just doing something.
Check out his channel.
Damn it.
Cam the Roblox Gamer. It will help him out a lot. He's gained 2 subscribers.
I think.
And I have 8. Oh, hell yeah.
I've 1. Damn it, it says 1.
I might have unsubscribed.
What did you do?
You're deafening headphone users, by the way. R.I.P. headphone users.
When did you find about Hershey?
Aw.
It was a little soldier dancing.
About a week ago. Right. So,
What?
we'll go through them all again in the same way we done. So, alright. Should we do the milk? Okay.
Wait. We should have got this video.
About a week ago.
I can't help it.
Right, let's go through these, Cam, starting from the Laffy Taffy.
Give me some of the Laffy Taffy.
Ah!
You alright?
You pull my tooth out with the sweet. You didn't know the chair was that far back, did you? Get in the shot. Oh, sorry. It tastes different. It tastes really different. We can change our ratings after we've eaten them all again.
No, I'm not.
I am. This tastes actually really different.
I
After
think-
you've had another bit of it.
I'll still give that a 5 out of 10.
Can't remember what I gave this.
You gave it 7.
8. No, 7.
You gave the milk duds an 8.
I think I'm going to give these a 7 point.
I just want another milk dud.
Wait, you got to wait for me. Get in the shot, Cam. You got to wait for me to have them. Right. That is the 7.5. You have to wait for me to eat it. Right, that's the 7. Oh. Ew. Anyway, right. Milk dud. You've just had a milk dud. Get in the shot, Cameron. Right. Got another one. Right, now. Still got Laffy Taffy in my mouth. I see why people like Laffy Taffy. It's really sour.
I'm done.
Did you just say under Dusty? When did you find out about milk duds, Cam? Get the song up before you say it. I found out about milk duds. I found out about these. Right. That's when I found out about milk duds. So, Cam, ready? 3. Get another one out, you idiot. Right, have another one because we got to do this.
I've got 2 in my mouth.
I'll treat mine. 3, 2. I don't know why he's in the video. 3, 2, 1. Get your arm out there. 3, 2, 1.
I'll still stick with 8 out of 10. Please.
You didn't give them an 8. You gave them a 7. I gave them
got
an out.
to an 8.
An out? An 8. What's the time, Papa?
There's a clock there.
No, it's wrong.
It says 25 past 2.
I have 5 minutes.
26 minutes past.
Alright, anyway, we've got to hurry up. Right, birthday cake. One of each. One of each, you have to. Think of macaroni or something you like with it when you have them.
Peanut.
Think of something that you like. Well, there's my 3.
In the comments, can you tell me if the red M&M?
Yeah, it's the red ones with peanut in because we have never had these before.
They're
Dad,
quite
you want one?
large.
Do you want to taste test one of these on camera?
Give me the red one. Yeah, that's too many. I haven't got a yellow one.
Hang on a minute. Jesus Christ.
There we go.
Daddy, did you just swear? Naughty Daddy, even though he said no.
You ready?
Right, do yellow one first.
Yes.
Oh, that makes me feel sick. Can you get my drink from over there?
No.
Get
go
my
do it.
drink from over there.
You go get it.
Get it over there right now. Won't you have any more Twinkie when
Don't
you
be
get one
lazy.
again? If we get one again. Oh yeah, we can't eat the Twinkie again because we've eaten them.
Yeah, I know. We can't eat Twinkie because the wrapper's
We
in
can eat the wrapper. We give this a 1 out of 10.
What's your drink? What's your drink?
Caramel second of there.
You ready
Right.
to go? First, I want to go back to playing GTA.
3, 2, 1.
I shoved it in my mouth. Oh! I think I broke my tooth. I think I broke my tooth. My phone doesn't like you.
No.
Why won't you work?
They don't taste like birthday cakes though.
I don't know why that played.
They
Blue one?
don't take.
This tastes like almond.
They don't taste like birthday cake at all. If you want them to taste like birthday cake, put jam in them.
Yeah.
Just take out the chocolate completely. Just put jam and Victoria sponge in
It
it.
doesn't taste anything like birthday cake.
I don't know what sort of birthday cake American people have. Sauce. Right.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Damn it!
Everyone in the comments, if you have emojis, do a sarcastic clap.